How to earn and make money, profit in cryptocurrency without being a real professional trader. Hi, I am Wetam, and I would love to show you how to make money and earn profit using your cryptocurrencies without really being a professional trader with all the plenty lines and all the margins and all of that we talk about in this industry. But please, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just someone who came across something that was useful to me and beneficial to me, and I believe it will also be beneficial to you. How to earn and make money in cryptocurrency without really being a professional trader. I'm going to show you by just 4 clicks and a wonderful platform that you can implement just 4 clicks. 4 clicks and voila, you begin to make money. And the best platform for this is Binance Earn. Binance Earn gives you the opportunity to make money by just 4 clicks. And right now, I'm just going to show you how to do so. 1. Log in or open your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, just click on this button and you just have a Binance account just like that. That's simple. So 1 will be to log in or open your Binance account. And what you will see on the first page is the home page. On the home page, you will see just here, Earn. You just click Earn. And when you click Earn, it will open to you several Binance products. Several Binance products that can help you to earn and make money. And for this one, we are just going to pick just one of them. And that will be Auto Invest. In Auto Invest, which is the 3rd click, once you open it, as you can see, you just pick any of the already set platforms to make money and earn interest simply. Or you could create your own preferences of coins you choose to want to invest, and you will see the profits that are possible by interest and the duration. And 4thly, you just click Invest. And once you click Invest, voila, it is set. You begin to earn money. At the end of the duration of that investment, you also will be paid your interest alongside with your invested capital fund. So, what have we been saying here? We've just been saying that Binance Earn platform can make you money through just 4 clicks. And that will be 1. Click and open your Binance account. 2. Click on Binance Earn. 3. Click on Auto Invest. And 4. Click Invest. The amount you wish to invest. And everything is transparent. You will see by the interest percentage what you will earn. That's simple. So what's stopping you? What's making you not to decide to come on board now? So come on board and make money. Take the action now by clicking this link and automatically begin to make money from the comfort of your bedroom without any other effort by just 4 clicks. You're welcome. See you in my next video.